So, Facebook wants you to be successful, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to be posting content so that you'll be successful on your Facebook page paired to your Instagram account, right? We are going to be using the Meta Business Suite for this, okay? I'm going to show you exactly what to do and how you are going to post content intentionally so that you can achieve your objectives. So I'm going to quickly open up my Chrome browser and open up my Meta Business Suite. Okay, so once you get to your Meta Business Suite that you have used in putting together your Facebook page and your Instagram account, so that you can manage both of them from here. So once you get to your Meta Business Suite, go to Insight, right? Go to Insight. Now, Facebook wants you to post your content in a particular way so that you can be able to be successful with their platform. So once you get to Insight, you can go to plan. So these are weekly plan, and these are your performances, right? These are just your performances. You can see your views, your reach, your net interactions, your followers on weekly basis, so they can see all the content that I'm posting. So once you get to your Insight, you can go to plan. Okay, now once you get to plan, here is where you have to plan the way you are going to be creating your content. Okay, Facebook wants you to create your content in a particular manner so that you can get your success faster. So now you can see the weekly plan. It says weekly plan, 5 days left. Set your business up for success by completing recommended tasks. So these are the tasks that Facebook has brought up for you, so that if you intentionally make your contents with all these tasks, completing these tasks, there is no doubt that you will be successful on Meta, on the Meta platform, right? So Facebook wants you to use their reels, their posts, their stories, and they want you to run ads. They want you to do all that stuff. They want you to use everything they have on their platform. So you can see it says publish 9 posts on Facebook. I have done 2 out of this, and I have scheduled the other posts so that they will go out on daily basis, so that by the end of the week, because this is a weekly plan, at the end of the week, those posts will be completed. Okay, these 9 posts will be completed by the end of the week, because I've already scheduled posts that will go out on daily basis. Now it says publish 5 posts on Instagram. Now the same post that is going out on my Facebook page is still the same post that will be going out on my Instagram account. So once it is counting on Facebook, it's also counting for me on Instagram. How cool is that? Now, the next one is to publish stories on Facebook. Now, like I told you before, I've already scheduled all these posts and all these stories and all these reels for all of them to go out on daily basis, so that by the end of the week, it will be completed. Now it says publish 1 ad. As you can see here, it's marked completed because I am currently running ads with my Facebook page, right? I am currently running ads on this Facebook page. Now it says publish 1 story on Instagram. See, it's already completed because the post that I've already scheduled to be published on Instagram has already gone out today. So how cool is this? Now, if you make it a habit of completing all these tasks on your Meta platforms, that is on your Facebook page and on your Instagram account, there is no guarantee that there is a huge guarantee, there is a big guarantee that you are going to be successful. Okay, there is a huge guarantee that you are going to be successful on your Meta platforms. But then a lot of people don't know about this. They don't know about these insights, and they just post content the way they make it, and then maybe they do it for some months and they're not successful. But if you actually use your weekly plan, right? If you actually use your weekly plan to schedule your post, you will be successful in no time. I hope you like this video. Follow and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. I will see you in the next one.